do that.
Don't eat that red.
No.
Introduce yourself to the camera.
Right here. Charlie, go dance.
Joshua, dance.
Go dance. Go dance. Can you dance, Charlie? Go on. Go on. Wait a second. Do it again so Nana and Bot can hear. Ben who? What's your name? Where's your belly button, Charlie? I heard you, Ben. Charlie, can you show me your belly button? Where's your belly button? Ooh, look at the pretty flower. Charlie, where's your belly button?
You can look at my bubba.
Okay, let me see. Get back up so I can see it. Oh, right there. There's Ben's belly button. What's your name? Can you say ABCs for Nana and Bach?
ABC.
Look at me. Look at me.
On the road, ready to get home.
Q.
I'm not sure.
And now don't hit Katie or I'll take that away.
Hurts when it's wet.
Then he does somersault.
Okay?
Hurts when it's dry.
Ben, I mean it.
Don't hit hard.
We're there.
Wait, don't pull because you might go flying.
Hi, Charlie.
Yeah, see that doesn't hurt.
Charlie, where's the moo cow?
Oh, really?
Don't hit hard because that
Moo cow?
Uh-huh.
Shh. You be quiet, Charlie.
Did you see the colonel you golfed with?
Charlie?
It's so funny. Oh, well, what do you guys do?
Charlie? Ben, then leave him alone.
Are you gonna go to bed early tonight?
Charlie, where's the moo cow?
Oh, it is a one.
Where's the moo cow?
Are you a cowboy Reuben? Yeah.
Illinois baby.
Ooh, where's your belly button, Charlie? Charlie Bill, where's your belly button?
Yeah.
Charlie,
You hauled in the final dance.
Charlie.
What?
Ooh. Sarah's talking to Ellen. Charlie,
Ooh, she just filmed Charlie.
where's your belly button? Where's your belly button?
He's wandering around. He's so funny.
Charlie, where's that belly button? Charlie, where's the Indian choo-choo?
If you listen.
Right there? Let me see. Oh, can you clap your hands? Hey, Charlie, Charlie, why don't you sing a song for us? Can you dance?
Uh-huh.
You dance?
Yeah, well, Ellen, thank you again so much.
You dance?
Okay. That was fun. And I'm sorry.
So here comes writing about Cowboy Ben.
Show your mom.
I will.
Okay, right up to the camera, I mean, cowboy.
Yeehaw.
Yeah, but we're talking
Charlie, can you dance?
2 songs.
Don't knock it
Ben, you do it again, and you know what's going to happen.
I almost died giving birth to you. The pain was so intense, I gave me a towel to bite off.
Let's get that pimple on Sarah's nose.
Watch out for
There's Charles.
Oh, Alvin.
He's ready for Betty Bye.
You're right, darling.
Come here.
I was right to think
I can be well.
a daughter's respect, Mom.
You're doing that to your mother-in-law and your father-in-law, Greg.
What did you do? Flip them on? he do?
Flipped him off.
Greg's so lively, man.
I know. I'm sorry. Now wave to me. You're talking to him. Wave to me. Tell him, what do you want to tell him?
Yeah.
What do you want to tell him?
Yeah.
What?
I want to tell you, I will be
Tell your mom. Tell Nana and Bart. Nana me.
You are. We can hear you.
Just talk from there, Ben. They can hear you. Ben, pull his pants down so he doesn't look
Look at Ben's nerd.
Ben,
Nerd outfit.
can I show you something? Now, you want to be a big